All right, so here with the head coach of the St. Jago High School. On the losing end today, coach. Talk to us about your team's performance.
All right. They came in highly motivated. I mean, 2 from 2. We know this was going to be a tough game. I personally think they are from the goal score, which I think is a soft goal. You know, their minds were switched off and they're gone into the next game. Because we know that we needed 6 points from 3 games, and we know that the next 2 are gettable. So we're working on it.
All right, coach. You spoke to you at the Holy Trinity game, and you mentioned that if you guys can, win out, then that puts you in prime position to make it to the second round. How do you feel about that statement and your position right now?
It's better now. It's better now because a lot of teams has made mistakes from then, and the catching game that we won is like another 6-pointer. So it has set back a lot of teams, and we're still in the vibe for one of the 4 spots, right?
All right, coach. What's the mood like in the camp?
Excellent. We're in camp right now. Before the catching game, we're in camp, and we're going back to camp. So we're going to camp out this last 2 games. But they're excellent. They're not distracted. They're not down.
All right, coach. Tell us ultimately, what would a good season look like for you?
Ultimately, it has been great already. The guys have really impressed me. I'm proud of them. But second round, first season at Jago and getting a second round berth, that would be excellent.
All right, coach. Thank you for talking to us.
Yeah, man.